Today's show comes to you from Wake Forest, the town, not the school, where the coffee's hot and the good news runs even warmer. It's your weekly dose of real good news from Wake County, where neighbors, not headlines, lead the story. I'm Steve, and this is Good Morning Wake County, your bite-sized weekly podcast, and today we're talking about three things. How a Facebook group is making real friends out of strangers. How a Raleigh basketball legend is building homes where his childhood home once stood. And how Wake County schools are quietly transforming the food on your child's lunch tray. So let's start with what's cooking in the cafeteria. This month, Wake County Public Schools launched the biggest lunch overhaul in decades. Out with the frozen trays and in with, wait for it, actual cooking and fresher, locally sourced ingredients. That means new kitchen equipment, retraining for cafeteria staff, and more partnerships with nearby farmers. Sounds good. The idea? Feed kids better and help them focus in the classroom. Registered dietitian 80 Claire Jones says one way to remember what makes a strong lunch is PFFC, protein, fiber, fat, and color. Jones recently looked at what was being served in local schools, and you're not going to be shocked and you're not going to be surprised. Take Sanderson High School's first day menu. Whole wheat pepperoni pizza with low-fat cheese, ginger broccoli, pineapple tidbits, and seasoned carrots. Oh, joy. Her verdict, an A for macronutrient balance and just a B- on calories. The portions still don't fully meet the needs of busy growing teens. And here's something smart for parents packing lunch at home. She recommends balancing texture and fun. You know you can never have too much fun with your food at school. One local mom's lunch had a sandwich with olives, pirate booty, cheese sticks, and yogurt. Another had granola, a few gummy worms, and a green smoothie. Hulk strong, as her kids called it. As Jones put it, we form our food habits in childhood, and if we can build a healthy, flexible relationship with food early on, that lasts a lifetime. And I can tell you that is true. I still love cafeteria pizza and milk that comes in a triangle container. Ask your grandparents. It's not just what goes in the lunchbox, it's what fuels the future. So let's head to East Lane Street next. East Lane Street in Raleigh is where former NC Central basketball star and current head coach LaVale Moton just broke ground on something deeply personal. Cottages of Idlewild. It's 18 new homes priced well below market for people earning 30 to 80% of the area median income. The homes will cost around $145,000, and that is a fraction of the triangle median of $434,000. And they're being built on land where Moton's grandmother once lived, the same neighborhood where he was raised, and where he says the community fed me when I was hungry and kept me when my mother wasn't present. This is his way of giving back. The cottages use a community land trust model, meaning buyers purchase the house but lease the land, keeping it affordable for generations. The goal? Build equity and generational wealth without gentrification pushing families out. Moton's vision is clear. Kids in this neighborhood should know they don't have to dribble a basketball or rap to build a future. They can become developers. Sections of the project are even being named after the people who raised him, including his grandmother and community leader Johnny Blaylock, who still lives next to the park that now bears Moton's name. Blaylock said it best, "You can't stop the gentrification train, but you can get on board and ride it in a way that honors where you came from." Amen. Making friends as an adult is hard. Between work, errands, and squeezed-in Pilates, Most of us barely have time to respond to texts, let alone meet someone new. And that's what Raleigh transplant Katie Paxton realized when she moved here alone. So she started a Facebook group, the Raleigh Girls Club. It's a place for women to make real connections, not just online, but in person. Today it has over 23,000 members. They host cocktail nights, classes, solo hangs, and even brunch meetups. And it's all about intentional friendship. When one new member posted a short bio, her inbox filled with the kind of messages and actual plans that you want to see. In a month, she'd already found her circle. Katie says, "My goal was to create a welcoming, inclusive space where women could genuinely connect and support one another. And somehow, it's worked. It's kind of like dating, but friendlier. You might not find your soulmate or your best friend, but you will find someone that you can sit down and split fries with and have a great time." So that's today's good news from Wake County. Real people doing real things to make life just a little better. If you like this episode, leave a kind review on Apple Podcasts or visit tapyournews.com to sign up for email reminders when new episodes drop. Until next time, I'm Steve, and be sure to subscribe so you can always get a taste of something good. See ya!